Kishore Tiwari, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena
Not
UBT
photo ops.
faction.
They are going.
You know,
no,
the
no, they are
Uddhav
going
Bal
to people of
Thackeray.
Maharashtra with government programs.
Okay, one
There are
second,
government events
Abhishek
where
ji.
all
One
the
second,
leaders go.
Abhishek ji. I
Don't say
would had you say, let me go to Kishore Tiwari. No, one
Abhishek,
second.
you are
No, it
right.
doesn't
Chief
work.
of State, Deputy CM of State is showcasing government program, welfare of the people. How is a photo op? It's not a photo op. You have to serve the people of Maharashtra. They are serving the people of Maharashtra.
Bhattacharya,
Don't.
Very good.
I think you
Okay, Kishore
this is
Tiwari.
Bhattacharya.
biased. You are biased.
Let me.
Thank you very much. I mean, if that is your opening, right in the first argument you have to come back to accusing the anchor of being biased, then we understand the lack of substance of your arguments. But nevertheless, Kishore Tiwari ji, one can ask that, the Shiv Sena UBT has been gloating a lot over these comments that are coming in from the Maha-Yuti alliance at this point. I can turn around and ask a similar question, that if at the end of the day, Uddhav Thackre's Shiv Sena can coexist with the Congress party, can coexist with the NCP for a period of almost 5 years, after having fought them for decades, why can't the Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde coexist with Ajit Pawar? At the end of the day, it's an unnatural alliance even on your side. At the end of the day, even your side has Shiv Sainiks who have to fight with NCP workers and have to seek votes in the name of NCP leaders. If the Maha Vikas Aghadi could survive for 5 years, why are we asking these questions to the Maha-Yuti alliance?
Maha Vikas Aghadi was toppled after 2.5 years, and Maha-Yuti of this unnatural alliance is existing from the last 2 years. But if you look at the comments, क्या कहते हैं तानाजी सावंत, मी त्यांच्याजवळ बसतो तर मला उलट्या होतात, मला नौशिया होतो, अशा भ्रष्ट लोकांसोबत मी बसू शकत नाही. I am surprised, and the remark of the NCP spokesperson of Ajit Pawar group, he says he requires treatment. He is eating too much of money because there is a charge in an ambulance purchase. This man has literally loot Maharashtra by 4,000 crore rupees. So it is unfortunate. Maharashtra Manus is looking at the thing, and I was surprised to see the Abhishek Mishra was saying that everything is okay, and 3 leaders are showcasing what they are showcasing. Bhattacharya, you are showing that the Shivaji Maharaj का अपमान, और क्या चल रहा है ये महाराष्ट्र में, लूट खरोच चल रही है.
नहीं तिवारी, मिस्टर तिवारी,
एक साथ कर
मिस्टर तिवारी,
बोलिए
तिवारी, मेरा नाम रितांशु है. माय सिंपल सवाल है, देखिए, इतना ही अगर महा अघाड़ी में इतने सब चीज सही है, आप बताइए आपका चीफ मिनिस्टर फेस कौन है? शरद पवार जी है कि विजय वडेट्टीवार जी है कि उद्धव जी है? आपने वोट डिसाइड किया है? एटलीस्ट उनके तरफ से तो क्लियर है चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है, डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है.
एक बात बताऊं तुमको, महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने तय कर लिया है और वो फाइनल है. और मैं आपका भी नॉलेज अपडेट कर देता हूं कि महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने तय किया है कि अगले चीफ मिनिस्टर उद्धव ठाकरे रहेंगे और हमारे उम्मीदवार उद्धव ठाकरे है. ये बात मैं कबूल करता हूं कि लोकसभा के चुनाव के रिजल्ट के बाद हमारे कई नेताओं,
किशोर जी अभी उसका टेस्ट लेते हैं. किशोर जी अभी उसका टेस्ट लेते हैं. राकेश शेट्टी जी, you are spokesperson of the Congress. Are you saying the Congress party is supporting Uddhav Thackeray as chief ministerial face? एक सेकंड अभी बता लेते हैं, अभी दिख लेते हैं. राकेश शेट्टी जी, is the Congress party officially saying that yes, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray is a chief ministerial face, because Kishore Tiwari ji has said that the Aghadi alliance is going to make Uddhav Thackeray the chief minister?
Mr. Bhattacharya, you are a senior journalist, you are an editor. You very well know, and you have been covering Congress since last so many years. From 1999 to 2004, 2009, 2014, Congress party doesn't have a culture to announce its chief minister candidate. And you are very well aware that Uddhav Thackeray ji has come out and openly said that Mahavikas Agadi is not going to put up a CM face right now. We are very much clear that that election will be on our side. You have seen the Lok Sabha election. Out of 48 seats, we managed to get 31 seats. And now, once the MLAs are elected, MLAs are going to choose the chief minister. This is what the constitution
Okay.
says, and this is what Bharatiya Janata Party has done in Rajasthan,
Yes,
Madhya
but
Pradesh,
again,
and Chhattisgarh.
I agree, Rakesh Shetty ji. Rakesh Shetty ji, I agree. I had a simple test and that got fulfilled because Kishore, you say that the entire alliance, including
I
Mr.
will
Uddhav
reply.
Thackeray, has decided that they will fight the election without announcing a chief minister face. But uske pehle we heard Kishore sir saying that Uddhav ji will become the chief minister.
Why-
So contradiction
why-
dikh raha hai.
but-
But Rakesh
but-
Shetty, let me
no,
now
no,
come
no,
to
now
the
let,
entire No,
No, no,
this,
let me
okay,
just
one
answer.
second. This is a
Just one
subplot.
minute.
This is a subplot.
Banerjee-
Let me come to the meat of the matter. Let me, Rakesh ji, I'm coming to you only. Let me come to the meat of the matter. Let me ask the question, then you can give your answer. The meat of the matter is today the Prime Minister's apology. And the Prime Minister said that, the opposition has no right to lecture us about insulting icons. Because unlike them, we don't go back on Congress on leaders who we have once venerated. The idea being, the implication being how the Shiv Sena UBT faction has tolerated insults of Veer Savarkar. To the BJP, if there is someone, if their icon like Chhatrapati Maharaj has been insulted, we will fall at your feet and ask for their apology 10 times over. So at least the Prime Minister is acknowledging there is galti ho chuki hai. But that's not the case when it comes to the Mahagadi. Rakesh Shetty ji, how will you respond? Then I'll go back to Kishore Tiwari ji.
Now Kishore Tiwari ji proposed Uddhav Thackeray ji's name. But let me just clarify that Uddhav Thackeray as chief minister in that 2.5 years had done a very fabulous job. Even the people of Maharashtra like the way he handled COVID situation. Even the High Court and the Supreme Court applauded how Uddhav Thackeray ji has handled the COVID situation. Coming to your question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today apologized, but it's too late because people have seen the drama. Ajit Pawar apologized, but Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis both put the blame towards the Navy. And 2 persons were arrested. You very well know that architect Chetan Patil and Jaideep Apte. Chetan Patil directly accused, said, I have not designed it. Every work was given to a contractor from Thane. You very well know Eknath Shinde resides in Thane and his son Srikant Shinde. His friend was a contractor for this project. And it is too late. 4 days have passed. People of Maharashtra will not accept this apology because we have seen the drama, what Narayan Rane did. In front of that statue, he is threatening Aditya Thackeray and everyone who is going and criticizing the government. We are in opposition. We have every right to oppose it. And if the government is failing to do their job, we are going to oppose. You can't threaten us. You can't tell us their
so people-
consequences. And Maharashtra.
So
is a
Rakesh Shetty, you
cultural
are saying
state.
people of Maharashtra will not accept. Rakesh Shetty, you are saying us people of Maharashtra will not accept the insult to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Kishore Tiwari ji, will the people of Maharashtra accept the insults to Mr. Veer Savarkar, which has been done by which according to the BJP has been done by Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders who are your ally both in Maharashtra and at the center?
We are with the Congress with the very common minimum program. Savarkar and Hindutva are not part to it. We feel हमारे आराध्य देव है शिवाजी महाराज, हमारे आराध्य देव है वीर सावरकर, और सावरकर का अपमान हम सहेंगे नहीं. दूसरा, मैं शेट्टी साहब को ये भी बता देता हूं, अगर महाराष्ट्र के अंदर हम उद्धव जी को नेता बोलकर सामने रखते नहीं है और जिसके विधायक ज्यादा उसका सीएम ये सब रखते हैं, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि लोग महायुति को परास्त करने के लिए हमें पर्याय बोल के चुनेंगे. तो मैं बहुत बीजेपी के अनुभव से आया हुआ आदमी हूं. हमें हमारा नेता पहले डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए। और हम तो कह रहे हैं, अगर उद्धव जी को सीएम शिप की उम्मीदवार नहीं रखते तो हम हमारी बात तय करेंगे ना, हम भी जनता में जाएंगे। हाँ, कोई कहता है कि हमें लोकसभा में बहुत सीटें मिली है,
देखिए कमाल हो गया
तो ठीक
किशोर
है भाई,
तिवारी
वो
जी।
जाएंगे, वो जाएंगे वो उनको
ये
उनको
डिबेट, दिस
कई
डिबेट
लोगों ने
began
राजतिलक किया
over
है।
disagreements in the Mahayuti alliance. This debate began over disagreements in the Mahayuti alliance, और सामने डिबेट में लाई महाआघाड़ी अलायंस में भी विवादित बात आ गई है। मजे की बात तो ये है।